Students, in today's session, we are going to study Part B, Unit 2, Electronic Spreadsheet. Electronic Spreadsheet is the second unit of CBSE Class 10th IT 402 curriculum. In this unit, we will learn different advanced concepts of electronic spreadsheet taking OpenOffice Calc as a base. The learning outcomes of this unit will be Session 1, Analyze data using scenarios and goal seek. Session 2, Link data and spreadsheets. Session 3, Share and review a spreadsheet. Session 4, Create and use macros in spreadsheets. So this unit is divided into these four sessions. In this session, we will be studying the theoretical concepts of this unit, and in coming sessions, we will be doing all these sessions practically. I will be demonstrating all these sessions practically. So, session 1 is analyzing data using scenarios and goal seek. The learning outcomes of session 1 will be we will be able to use consolidate data feature and create subtotals. We will be able to use what if scenarios and use what if tools and using goal seek and solver. Now we will understand all these concepts theoretically first, and then we will be doing their practicals in the coming sessions. First of all, consolidate means to combine a number of things into a single unit. Consolidation of data means that the process of combining the number of data organized into different sheets into one worksheet or cell. For example, data on sales of various salesmen of a company like quarterly, monthly, and so on. So, to achieve a common business goal or specific goal, you need to analyze and summarize data. The subtotal command in Calc automatically creates groups and applies common functions like sum, count, etc. to the grouped data. Solver amounts to a more elaborate form of goal seek. The difference is that the solver deals with equations with multiple unknown variables. It is specifically designed to minimize or maximize the results according to a set of rules that we define. Next is what if scenario. The what if scenario feature allows us to create different target based what if analysis. Suppose we are playing a cricket tournament where we need to analyze our team performance on the net run rate. We can use what if scenarios. It also helps in every match to achieve the target in different conditions. These different conditions means how many runs are required in how many overs to qualify on top of the point table, or how many runs need to be saved to climb up in the point table, etc. We can create scenarios with different names and targets. The scenarios allow us to perform a task on a single set of values at a time. But what if we want to see multiple results at the same time? For this, OpenOffice Calc provides a strong feature named multiple operations to do the same thing. We can set input row values according to the rows or columns. Next feature in this is GoalSeek. GoalSeek is an advanced spreadsheet feature that allows us to provide the values for the target-based input. Just decide the target value and we can select which cell should be changed in GoalSeek dialog box. GoalSeek allows displaying the targets based results on a single value or condition, whereas the solver is used to optimize the result based on conditions. Session 2. In session 2, we will learn how to link data and spreadsheets. The learning outcomes of session 2 will be setting up multiple sheets, create a reference to other sheets by using a keyboard or a mouse, creating a reference to other documents by using keyboard and mouse, relative and absolute hyperlinks, hyperlinks to the sheet, that is linking external data or linking to registered data sources. Sometimes when we are working with spreadsheet software, we need to repeat or use same data values frequently in worksheets. So we can insert values in worksheet and then use that value by a reference in other worksheet. For this, we are required to link different worksheets or link data in different worksheets. There are two ways of creating references in a worksheet, that they are using a keyboard or using a mouse. In session 3, we will learn how to share and review a spreadsheet. Sometimes when we are working with a spreadsheet in our workplace, there are some other people who are working on the same worksheet. In this situation, we need to share the worksheet with multiple users on the network. Therefore, these users can work on the same file from different computers connected to the network. When they finish their work, their spreadsheet needs to be reviewed for the changes done by multiple users. For that purpose, spreadsheet softwares like MS Excel or OpenOffice Calc provides one feature called Share and Review Spreadsheet. The learning outcome of this session will be setting up a spreadsheet for sharing, opening and saving a shared spreadsheet, recording changes, adding, editing and formatting the comments, reviewing the changes, that is, we can view the changes, we can accept or reject the changes, and then we can merge and compare the different spreadsheets shared by different users. The last session in this unit is create and use macros. Macros are used to record the commands, tasks, or the activities performed by the user on a specific worksheet or set of worksheets, and then it can be used to avoid repetition of commands or similar tasks in other worksheets. So macros are nothing but they are a recorded name of set of tasks or commands in a spreadsheet which can be used repeatedly by a single click or a shortcut key. The learning outcomes of this session will be we will be able to use the macro recorder. We can create simple macros. We will be able to use a macro as a function. We will be able to pass arguments to a macro, macros to work like built-in functions, accessing cells directly, and sorting the columns using macros. With this unit comes to an end. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.